how to add voice in Instagram Reels. So first of all, let's open up our Instagram. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna swipe right, and you're gonna see the camera right away. And from there, you're gonna see at the below, you're gonna see post story reel. So I'm gonna select reel. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and hold or record a reel, and I'm gonna get back to you after I finish recording my reel. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit next. Now what I'm gonna do, you're gonna see the music library at the top right. Okay, in the music library, you're gonna see a few tools that you can actually use to add a voice. One of them is enhance. Okay, maybe your voice is a little bit dusty or has some issue. Enhance feature allows you to improve your voice inside the video. Okay, or you can add voice by going ahead and add a voiceover by going ahead to voiceover. Okay, now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just hold the record audio over the video, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna record voiceover. And after you finish recording your voiceover, hit done and proceed. Okay, after you finish adding your voiceover, go ahead and hit next at the below right. And now from there, you just created your new reel inside Instagram. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.